What's up, baby? Just in case y'all didn't know, this is Shot Boy's Christmas tribute to my fans and my family. If I can get all y'all something, I promise you I would, sincerely. But I can't. So I decided to perform. You know what I'm saying? I do want to say I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and good grease and God blessings to all. You heard me? Now let's cut the bullshit and let's get the show started. You know what I'm saying? You heard me? It's about that time. You know what it is.
Just get down here, baby. Let everybody down here. We gonna miss the bus. Just get down here, all right? No, that wasn't my beeper. And I don't know somebody else. So just get down here, all right? All right, all right.
Yo, this the Sizzler with the weather. As if you didn't know, this heat wave got us crazed. Keeps getting hotter on the blotter. But while you frying out there, you gotta know I'm trying in here. Trying to keep you cool, my brothers and sisters. Playing those frosty, cold, refreshing jams. All day, every day. Stay cool on the street, peeps. Beat that heat any way you can.